Hello everybody, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the background transparent and how to save the image with transparent background in Photoshop. Let's get started. Shop. So I have an object over here and my background is white. To make the background transparent, we need to delete everything that's below the layer with the object. In our case, the background layer. I will click on this lock to unlock the layer, and now I will press this button to delete. As you can see, I have a lot of gray squares on the background. That means the background is transparent, it's nothing there. That's what you need to have on the screen right now. And now let's save it. I will press and hold CTRL SHIFT S. It will pop up a window and I will save it, doesn't matter where, but what's important is to save it PNG. Let's say image with transparent background. Save. It will ask me if I want the compression to be fast or slow, and the interlace. I will choose small, and on the interlace I will choose none. Click OK. As you can see, I have nothing on the background. The windows will represent the transparency with black. In some cases will be white, but if you've done everything correctly, as I said, it will save you an image with transparent background. Don't forget to save it PNG. Only PNG files will keep the alpha channel. The alpha channel is the one that keeps transparency. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I highly appreciate the time you're spending watching my videos. Let a comment down below on what you want to learn next, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Neacsu, shop.